Recently, someone followed my training and they made their first money online. And what I'm going to do is show you how to make money online. And I'm going to show you the blueprint that this guy used. And he is a complete beginner to this. He didn't know what he was doing and he made his first money online. Don't worry, I'm going to show you all of this good stuff soon. What he did is he followed the exact blueprint that I had posted. And I'm going to show you the exact blueprint in this video. More importantly, I'm going to show you the exact steps that he took to make money online. And he was a complete beginner. He didn't know what he was doing. And this specific method works anywhere in the world. I'll show you everything, break it all down. And once again, you don't need to show your face for this method. So let's jump in and I'll show you how someone followed my training and made money online. All right, guys. So first of all, let's go over what actually happened here. And I have just blanked out some details here because I don't want to just post this guy's information online. But basically what happened is this specific member of my group went and tried one of the methods in here and they made some income. And more importantly, they actually got 16 email contacts, which is very, very cool. So that means that he now has 16 people on his email list. They can then email another offer if he wants and potentially make some more money as well. So what I want to do is I want to jump into exactly what this person did and take you through the steps. And this method that we're going to talk about is a very, very good beginner-friendly method. We have talked about this in the past, but I want to show you exactly what this person did so you understand exactly how they made this income. And I'll even show you the page that he has as well. So what I have is a checklist here that we can go through to uncover this specific method. Now, I do want to tell you that this method here that he did was from this specific training inside my group. Now, what I've done with this specific training is based it around beginners that have no experience online and want to make some money. Now, I'm not making a claim saying you're going to make money, but this is like the stepping stone to anyone that's trying to earn something online. And this is usually, this is actually what got me started, part of my journey, this and another method. But the person that I just showed you, that was the first time that ever made money online from this specific training right here, okay? But I'll break it down for you right now, basically what that training is about and how that person actually made that income. So the first thing here is keep it simple. This is very important. What we're doing here is you're a complete beginner to making money online, so you're not going to have any experience with doing advertising. You're literally not going to have any experience with really anything. So this is why you need to keep this simple, okay? Keeping it simple is so important. This is the most important thing for this method, okay? So the first thing we need to do here is we need to do a few things, but the first thing is we need to create something that we can give away for free, okay? To collect an email. This is pretty standard with making money online, but let's get started. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using ChatGPT for this. You're also going to want to use a platform called GetResponse. I'll leave a link below. You get a 30-day free trial. So you can do this for 30 days, no cards, no nothing. You can try this out if you want. So you'll need this as well, and you'll need ChatGPT. Well, you don't have to have ChatGPT, but this helps. And then we also need to go and find a specific product as well. So to do that, we need to go to ClickBank and create a ClickBank account and then sign up. Now I'm going to sign in and then this is all going to integrate with each other to create our free offer. We need something to give away for free. All right, guys. So this is the ClickBank marketplace. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you through exactly everything this person did. Okay. Because I know what they did because they went off my training. So if we go to here and we go to e-business and e-marketing, there's a few products that we can promote. Quick little tutorial here. If you don't know what this is, ClickBank is a place where you can promote a product for a commission. What that means is you promote that specific product, and then what happens is when someone clicks that link and makes a purchase, you get a commission. So for example, like this product here, you'll get $61 on average. But what we'll do is we'll scroll down to the exact product that person actually promoted. And from what I remember, it was this cell phone cash, okay? So this is the one that they promoted. They get about $21 on average per conversion. I think it's actually a little bit more because of what they made, but let's go to view sales page. This is the sales page right here. So when someone makes a purchase here, you will get a commission. So what we can actually do is we need to make a something for free from this so we can give away for free. So this is a product here. How do we do that? We want to go back to that sales page here and we want to copy that page. And we want to go over to ChatGPT and put that page into ChatGPT. You don't have to do this, but this is just what I do because it makes it much quicker. And this is what I'm going to say. Give me a free PDF or checklist that I can give away for free based on this specific product. What I'm going to be doing is sending people to a page where I collect an email, and then they're going to get emailed the free PDF or checklist, and then they're going to get redirected to this specific product. Give me something that I can give away for free. So I'm asking ChatGPT to make me something that I can give away for free and then redirect them to that specific product and they can make a purchase. And then what we're going to be doing is we're giving away that free value and then that's kind of going to warm them up and stuff like that. So here we go, etc., etc. Simple PDF. All right, guys, the new ChatGPT kind of sucks right now. So what I did is I went to GPTs and I found an ebook creator on ChatGPT 4. I wanted to just leave that other bit in there just to show you that everything doesn't always go perfect online. So this is what I said and this is what I gave it, and it's basically given me a PDF right now that I've downloaded, and this is it here. It's basically ways to make money from your phone, but it's not very clean. So what I would do and what I would recommend you do if you're doing this is do this, go to Google Documents, paste it in here. You can make the text bigger and stuff like that. Now, I'm not going to do too much editing for this video, but essentially what's important is it's like a checklist or a mini ebook on how to make money from your phone. And then it goes, click here to learn. On that bit, we want to actually take that out. Click to learn more. What to say? Click to learn. We want to take that affiliate link that we have, copy that. And then where it says click to learn, we just want to put that link in there, apply, and then what I can do is I can just export it, and now I have a PDF that I can give away. So what's the next step? We've basically created that. I just did it in ChatGPT for a little checklist that we can give away for free. This is the next step. We need to present an offer after you get the email. So we've actually talked about this in other tutorials, but let's do this. So you need to present an offer after you get the email. So what we need to do is we need to have a system where we have our affiliate link here, when someone gives us their email, we can actually, I'm going to log back in, but we can promote that link. All right, so in GetResponse, you're going to want to go to Tools and you want to go to Forms and Pop-ups. Now, what I've done is I actually have already created all of this inside my group that people can get access to. All right, I was on the wrong page. So here's the one here. I'm going to go to Edit, Form. I show you how to make all of this stuff in my group. It's a free 7-day trial. You can literally go watch the content for free for 7 days and leave if you want and see if this is right for you. So what we do is I'll show you this person's one that this is the student, okay? This is his one here, free book, done for you website, generates automated income with cell phone. So you can literally copy exactly what he's done here, exactly what he's done. This isn't even centered. If it was centered, it would be better, and he made money from this. You would put that into here, okay? And that's what you would do. But more importantly, what you need to do is you need to connect this to an email list where you send out an email with the free book. But what I want to do now is I want to go to just show you some settings. So unlock, we want to go to settings. And then when someone enters their email, we send them to a specific page. So we go custom, choose thank you page. We want to send them to that affiliate product. Now I already have the affiliate link here, so we'll just copy it from here. I've already copied it. We want to send them to that specific page. So we send them to that page. That's the affiliate link. So when someone signs up, they're going to get sent to that affiliate link. And then what we do in the choose list section, we put them into a specific list that we create. Then they're going to go into a back end where we send them emails as well of the specific offer. So I just have a random list here. I'll choose that. And then I simply just click publish, right? Click save, click publish. And then this is going to give me a specific link to go to GetResponse will host my link. We're going to get that link. And this is the link that guy had. So now what do we do? Inside the GetResponse backend, we have these things called automations. Inside those automations, we're going to have email set up that get sent out to people. So if we go down to the ones that I have created for this thing, I might have actually deleted it. I think I just did a clean out recently of all the ones that I'm not using. And one of them was probably for that example. Okay, I have found it. I just double checked. I have it right here. It's the call offer. And then what happens? So people come into the specific, we actually exported this. They come into the specific thing and they get sent a specific amount of emails, 4 in this case, I think, 4 or 5, 3 or whatever. And we send them emails, and those emails are going to be telling them about the specific product that we're going to be promoting, which is this one. But how do we actually get the traffic? So first of all, let me show you on a diagram what we're doing. All right, so this is what we're doing. It's very simple. We're taking a traffic source. This is our traffic source. We're sending them to a page where we collect an email, okay? And then what happens is they get sent an email with the free book. The first email is the free book. Just remember the book is there to get their email. The book doesn't really matter what's in there specifically. Like we're not trying to sell them from the book. And then we also send them emails over the next few days. And what's in those emails is we're going to be promoting that ClickBank offer. We'll put C there, ClickBank offer. We're going to make money at these points. Well, hopefully we make money at these points, okay? And then once they give us their email, they get redirected to that affiliate link and that page, which is the offer. And then in that offer, I need to use my pen. We should make money here as well. So this is a system, but how do we get the traffic? You're probably wondering, well, how do I get the traffic? Let me show you. And this is pretty much the best beginner traffic that you can get right now. So what you do is you go to this udemy.com, you click on these specific people, and what they do is they have a list of people that are willing to buy specific products. And more importantly, they are actually, these people buy ClickBank products. That's what they do, okay? So this guy has a list of buyers who are ready to do. And all you do is you put in your link. This is from the tutorial that we did. You put in your link and you can see I've actually been doing this. And you select how many clicks you want, okay? So this one's 300 clicks for 88 cents. Some are cheaper, some are more expensive, but this works. But these guys have been selling traffic for years, over 11 years. If you go down, these are some of the reviews, etc. So this is the best way to get the traffic. So this is how my student made that income. So if you want a full breakdown of how this actually works, I would recommend you come to my community where I actually teach all of this stuff. I can't teach it on a YouTube video because there is more to this. I've given you the basics and everything that you need to do. But inside this community, we actually have a bunch of tools that you can use, courses you can watch, etc. And it's a trial. You can come in here for free for 7 days. That's right. You can come in here for free for 7 days. So that's how my specific student went ahead and made money online. If you want more content like this, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. Come and join the group. 7 days, so there's no risk. 7 days, you can come and see if it's right for you. If not, you don't have to stay. And I'll see you guys then.